Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'll demonstrate to you how you can install a Telnet client on a Windows 10 Home Edition of the operating system. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can actually test whether you got Telnet or not. Open your command prompt and type Telnet. If you get a screen like that, which means you pretty much don't have Telnet client installed on your computer. So let's exit out of here. And once that's done, let's go to a control panel. Click on your control panel and then you go programs, turn window features on and off, and it will come up with a pop-up window where you can select Telnet client right there. And once you select that, click OK and you'll begin the installation process. After a few moments, you get the Windows complete, installation complete. Hit close and let's close that too. And now do a test again. Open your command prompt and on your command prompt type Telnet and hit enter. This is the window you should be getting if your Telnet is properly installed. I hope this tip helps. Have a good day. Bye.